Hello everybody, lovely to see you. Today we are going to do an activity all about recycling, and this can go towards a couple of different badges, which is very exciting. So if you are in Rainbows, you can use this activity towards your recycling badge. Let me show that to you. Just knock my glue over. So there's the Rainbows recycling badge, which is very lovely. And if you are in Brownies, then you can use this activity towards your Zero Waste badge, which is here. Super. So before we get started, maybe we can have a little think about recycling and why it's so important. So do you think you might have some reasons why recycling is important? Maybe shout them at me and I'll be able to hear them through the screen. So I agree with what you've just said. So recycling is important for lots of different reasons. So just a few of them. If we just throw everything in the rubbish bin, then usually it just ends up in landfill sites, and then it stays there for thousands and thousands of years, sometimes takes up lots and lots of space, and also can produce lots of gases which can hurt the environment. Also, especially things like plastic, if we don't recycle them properly, then they can end up in the oceans and they can harm the environment for fishes and other animals in the sea. So it's really important that we care about the environment, and part of that is recycling. So we are going to think of some ways to encourage people to recycle. So have you got some ideas? How could you encourage people to do some more recycling? What do you think? There's lots of ways you can encourage people. So some of the ones you might have thought about are maybe talking to people about recycling, telling them how you do it or your family do it. Maybe you could make a poster and tell them about how important it is, and that might encourage them to do it. And one of the ways that I've thought of as a bit of a guiding way is maybe you can make a badge or a medal for someone who's done really good recycling, and you can give it to them. So that is what we're going to do. We are going to make a medal together. I'm going to make a super recycling medal, and then I'm going to give it to somebody in my family this week who I think has done the best recycling. So to do that, we're going to need some recycling. We're going to make a recycled recycling medal. So what I am going to use is a plastic drinks bottle, and I'm going to use the cap of the drinks bottle. And then I've also got some old paper which I was using for a different craft. So I've got the cap of my bottle, and then I have cut out from a bit of paper a nice gold circle which is going to make my medal. So it's a bit bigger than my drinks cap bottle. So this is going to be my medal, and now I'm going to write on it something really encouraging. So let's get a pen. So what do you think you might write on your medal? Something really happy and encouraging. So I have written a little message on my medal. Let me show you. So I have written, super recycling, keep it up. But you could write anything. Maybe you could write #1 at recycling, well done you, anything you like. So I am now going to stick it on to my drinks cap. Okay. Super. Okay, so there we go, there it is, stuck on. And then now we need some ribbon to make the medal, or you can use string, whatever you like. What you could also do is put like a little clip or a safety pin, stick it on the back, and then you could pin it to you or whoever you think's the best at recycling and wear it as a badge. So I need some sellotape, which is just here. So let's get that so I can stick my ribbon on. Super. So let's just stick that in there. It's a tiny bit fiddly, but that's okay. Let's cut off that very long bit of sellotape. There we go. So there is my super recycling medal. So maybe you can make one of these of your own, and then maybe you can let me know how it went. Maybe tell me who you awarded your medal or your badge to, or what other things you're doing to encourage people to recycle. And definitely check out the other parts of your zero waste or your Rainbows recycling badge and see if you can earn the whole badge. Well done everybody, see you again soon.